In this video, I'll guide you through how to back up save files on Steam. Backing up your Steam save files is a great way to protect your gaming progress and avoid losing valuable data if you ever need to reinstall a game or move it to another device. The process is quick, straightforward, and can save you a lot of time in the future. So, let's get started. First, open the Steam application on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, start menu, or wherever you normally access it. If you're not already signed in, click the Login button located near the top right corner of the Steam window. Enter your account name and password, then click Sign In to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. From here, navigate to your library, where all of your installed games are displayed. Browse through your collection and select the game you want to back up. If you're unsure which one to choose, consider backing up games where you've invested a significant amount of time, or games with important progress that you don't want to risk losing. After selecting the game, right-click on its title and choose Properties from the menu that appears. A new window will open with several tabs containing settings for that specific game. Click on the Installed Files tab. This section contains options related to the files currently installed on your computer. Next, locate the option labeled Backup Game Files and click on it to begin the backup process. Steam will then ask you to choose a location where you'd like to save the backup. Click Browse and navigate to your preferred folder or storage device. It's a good idea to choose a location that's easy to remember, especially if you may need to restore the backup later. Many users prefer using an external drive or a separate storage location for added peace of mind. Once you've selected the destination folder, click Create Backup to begin copying your game files. Depending on the size of the game and the speed of your storage device, this process may take a few minutes, so simply wait until Steam finishes creating the backup. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a backup of your Steam game files, giving you an extra layer of protection for your saved progress. Hopefully this guide made the process simple and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!